here today to talk to you about where their families came from and some other cool information. So, where did your family come from? Oh wow, so they came from Vietnam to Portland and then to Texas. What languages do your parents speak?
My parents speak Vietnamese.
Do you speak Vietnamese also?
Yes.
Ah, very cool. And what's your favorite Vietnamese food?
My favorite Vietnamese food has to be pho.
Oh, pho is amazing. I love it. Do you like the chicken pho or beef pho or oxtail pho? What's your favorite?
Beef pho.
Beef pho. And where is your family from?
Well, my mom is from Dominican Republic and my dad is from Guatemala. And then they came over here
Oh, nice. And what languages do your parents speak?
Spanish.
Spanish. Do you speak any Spanish? Fantastic. What's your favorite food from that area? Empanadas. Oh, I love empanadas. My family immigrated from Germany a couple of generations back. And in our family, we always did sauerkraut and sausage. That was the best thing that I ever had from my culture. Here are all Muslim, and they're going to tell you about one of their favorite holidays, Ramadan. Can you tell me anything about Ramadan? They fast for a full month, and then they have a party afterwards called Eid al-Fitr, and they really enjoy it, and it's kind of like Christmas. They get to pass gifts and have a lot of fun. So come enjoy them. I know that Miss Nazia is going to make a vegetable biryani. What's y'all's favorite dishes from your culture?
Kebab.
Kebab?
Honestly, I also have to say
Kebab? Sapusa? Oh, doma. Yes, I love doma. Roti? Okay. Who are going to close out our multicultural event and bring about our Black History Month with us. These are our friends from 3rd and 4th grade. What is your name, sir?
Duncan.
And what is yours?
Janelle.
Yours?
Abigail.
And you?
My name's Luna.
Okay. Now, what they're going to do is they're going to tell you where their parents are from and what languages they speak. Where's your parents from?
Kenya.
Kenya, and what language?
Swahili.
And what about you?
My parents are from Kenya and speak Swahili.
All right, and you? Okay, so what are your favorite foods?
Rice and beans.
Yours?
Spicy.
Spicy rice.
My favorite food is like a soup, but it's like really spicy.
Awesome. And yours?
My favorite food is mala and cheese with
All right. Well, this is awesome. Thank you so much. Do you have any words that you might say in your language real quick for us? Okay, say yours.
So one word in Nigeria, this week's cup is big, and the word is wambi.
Wabi?
Wambi.
Wambi. Okay. And yours? Jumbo? All right. I'm Janelle. Awesome. Anything else? Okay, what's yours? Kenayesu? What does that mean? Oh, Kenya is beautiful. Thank you guys so much. Are you good? Okay. Thank you guys so much for coming out. Happy Black History Month. We have our African American read-in coming right up this week, and we are so excited to see everything. Bye, guys. Have a great day.